Hey guys, this is Daisy from CHINAMOTOR. I'm here at the motorcycle exhibition area of the 138th Canton Fair. As you can see, the global demand for high-performance motorcycles is growing fast, and China's middle and large displacement motorcycles are advancing at amazing speeds, constantly setting new benchmarks. From the roar of their engines, you can feel the power of intelligent manufacturing in China. Now, come along with me as we explore the core technology and the design aesthetics behind China's premium motorcycles. If we say China's motorcycle industry is sparking a global personalization storm, then the following products are definitely at the heart of it. From daily commuters to retro scramblers, then to personalized electric off-roads, these models are redefining the imagination of made in China.